Welcome to our exploration of how AI is transforming the workplace. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating advancements that are reshaping job sectors. By 2025, it's estimated that millions of jobs will be impacted by AI. Let's look at some alarming statistics that highlight this trend. AI tools like ChatGPT, automated coding platforms, and novel design software are revolutionizing multiple industries, enhancing efficiency and creativity. Let's examine some case studies of businesses that have integrated AI tools, ultimately replacing specific job roles with automation. Certain professions are at greater risk than others. We'll identify which job functions are most vulnerable to AI automation. It's not all doom and gloom, though. AI also enhances productivity and creates new job opportunities. Let's discuss the bright side of this technology. To navigate this changing landscape, workers must develop future skills. What does staying competitive in an AI-driven economy look like? As AI replaces jobs, we must consider the ethical implications of these advancements. How do we ensure responsible use of AI? In conclusion, it's essential to ask ourselves, is the fear of AI replacing jobs warranted, or is it exaggerated? Let's reflect on the key points. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's prepare for the future of work with AI together.